Hello, long yes, Jimmy thought Junior. Earlier I go pick up. This one is mine. This one my sister. This one is Sanyam. Sorry, Sanyam. And this is Sing and Ryan. You guys don't get to eat first because I bring to you guys Monday. My church doing fundraising at my sister-in-law house. God bless all you guys. God bless you guys. You guys do amazing job. Look at this individual. My mouth watering. Sẽ muốn dây tàn suất rồi sẽ cả. So good. With sesame seed. Cool nut. All the lady work over there. They work so hard. They're amazing. If anybody want it, still can order. Try the purple rice. Look like this. Good. This one have more sesame seed. This one have less sesame seed. They're both good in different way. Thank you so much.